Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorials, and today's tutorial is on how to make and submit a nomination on Binance for the blockchain 100. So if you find that content helpful, do want to buy educational token Wikicat, it is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address is in the description of this video. So for this video you need your Binance exchange application and you get that downloaded up and make sure you're verified. So what's the blockchain 100? Now the blockchain 100 is a recognition program launched by Binance to celebrate the top 100 global web3 creators, innovators and community builders. Anyone in the community can nominate their favorite creator, project or innovator, and the most nominated candidates get highlighted by Binance. Now, who can nominate people? Any verified Binance user can make a nomination on Binance Square. So I click on my Binance application. Yep, and this is it. To submit your nomination, log into your Binance account. I'm logged in. Go to Binance Square, and Binance Square is over here. The three top most services, and you could find the Square here, and search for blockchain 100. All right, you can see from Binance Square official, the blockchain 100 is here. Nominate your favorite crypto and blockchain creators. Now click on start nomination and it takes you to the nomination page where you'd find this, the blockchain 100 2025. There are rules and guidelines about this. Each user can only submit one nomination per category. Nominations with incomplete details may not count. Make sure you're nominating real and active contributors in Web3. Follow all Binance community standards to avoid disqualification. All right, so now you could submit your nomination. You click on here to start your nomination. There are different award categories: industry advocate, crypto press, rising star trader, independent researcher, video and live creator, community builder, how candidates are selected, and the rest of that. So click on submit nomination. They have a deadline too, by the way, so make sure you do this before the deadline of this. And it loads. Yeah, there's an eligibility criteria. Creators must primarily produce educational or inspiring content on crypto related topics. Creators must have public facing identity with no major disputes. Creators must maintain a main channel with over 10,000 followers on at least one major platform such as X, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, Discord, Binance Square, or CoinMarketCap. You click on next. And are you nominating yourself? No. So for the purpose of this video, I would be showing you how to nominate Sir Mapy, which is the chief believer for SMC DAO, and click on no. Are you representing a person or company in this nomination? No, I am representing myself. You could click on next, and you can nominate creators under the following categories. There's an image here that's meant to show who do you wish to nominate. Please input the nominee's social handle such as their X, and you could do Sir Mapy and which category are you nominating for. If you're unsure, please select up to 3 categories the best fit. Now you're nominating crypto community, owns a crypto community, SMC DAO. He is an industry advocate and independent researcher. He does his researches too. And Wikicat is also built on the Binance Smart Chain. That's a plus for us too. So what are the reasons you're nominating yourself slash the creator? You impute anything that you feel you know, or why you're nominating Sir Mapy, and provide as many details as possible. More detailed and diverse nomination increases the chance of being shortlisted for the final community vote, and you could work up something on that. So you could also provide the links to the nominees' social media profiles, for example, links to their X, Twitter, that's Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn profile, and you could get this from Twitter's Mapy's account. Then, if the nominee represents a company or a community, please provide the nominee's company / community name and job title. And this is really easy. So he also represents SMC DAO, so you could write SMC DAO / Wikicat. Yeah, I think that works out, right? /Wikicat. All right, then the nominee's company. Okay, company now, community name. then the job title chief believer slash founder. Right, I think this works out right. Could use an ampersand here and use a dash here. Okay, and please provide the nominee's contact information, include their social media link if you're unsure, right? Providing accurate information helps us get in touch. You still uses um X account, nominee's current city and country of residence, Nigeria, and what is the relationship with the nominee. You could use others, then specify your relationship with community, maybe any relationship you have with him, community member, or a follower of the nominee. If you're a follower, a family, friend, co-worker, or whatsoever. And how would you like us to address you? You use your name, and that's my name. So please leave your contact information. Our team may reach out. You drop in your Telegram or probably your WhatsApp or your email address or your X profile link. Or you could choose prefer not to disclose and enter your Binance user ID. If you're unsure where your user ID is, please check here. For Binance users only, input NA if you're not a Binance user. Of course, you need to be a Binance user to vote on this. Is there anything else you should know? No. And when you click on submit, your nomination has been submitted. And after submitting, you can check back. I need to provide all these details and I will be able to submit. All right, so filled in all the necessary details and I click on submit and submitted successfully. Thank you for your submission. Please consider this message and the rest of it all. You can view all shortlisted creators once community voting begins on October 15th, 2025. So when it gets to October 15th, you can view everybody that has been nominated and community voting start. Do well to make sure you nominate Sir Mapy for his immense contribution he's done to the crypto space, and most especially to SMC DAO and building Wiki Cat and everything he has done in the ecosystem. And that's how you make and submit a nomination on Binance for the blockchain 100. Don't forget, if you find this tutorial helpful, support us by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel, and do well to definitely nominate Sir Mapy. All right, thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.